This air fried chicken breast is so juicy and flavorful, you will feel like having it every single day. The secret is right masala, proper marination, and cooking in right way with light tempering. No more dry chicken. In this video, I will show you every single step to get the perfect air fried chicken. Welcome to HomePlateDelights. Let's get started. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and support the channel. Here I have kept all the ingredients ready. For spice powders, I have 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, half a tablespoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt and 1 tablespoon of dried fenugreek leaves. Here is a little trick to remove excess water from the curd. I have taken about 2 tablespoons of curd, place it in a strainer, leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. All the excess water will drip off, leaving you with a nice thick curd. I have taken 1 piece of chicken breast. Give it a 3 to 4 slits, just like this. This helps the masala to go deep inside. In a bowl, add all the spice powders along with the dried fenugreek leaves. Squeeze in half a lemon. Add thick curd. Add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix it well and make a thick paste out of this. Add about 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. This is optional. Now the masala is ready. You can see how nice and thick the masala is. Let's put this on the chicken breast. Apply the masala nicely to the chicken breast. Put the masala inside these slits as well. Now it is nicely coated. Close the lid and let it sit for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. I have preheated the air fryer. It is nice and hot. Let's spray some oil. Carefully place the chicken breast. Air fry it at 400 degree Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Next, for tempering, melt a small piece of butter. Add some chopped garlic. Fry it until you get nice aroma out of it. Add some kasuri methi and turn off the flame. After 25 minutes, you can see how nicely the chicken is cooked. Let me take it out. Perfectly cooked. It looks so delicious and it smells absolutely amazing. I'm going to pour this butter and garlic mixture on top of this. It is going to keep the chicken so nice and juicy. I will cut a slice and show you inside how nicely the chicken is cooked. It is beautifully cooked. I can't wait to enjoy this for my dinner. Serve this with any choice of your favorite sauce or with yogurt. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.